Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. If you're building a beautiful passive house like we're in today, or if not a 7+ star rated home, one of the biggest things that builders are putting to these homes is making sure they're airtight and well insulated, which is perfect for the home, not so good for wood heaters. Wood heaters require quite a lot of air for them to operate, and putting a wood heater in a house which is passive or airtight, you're going to have some issues later on with getting the wood heater to perform. Well, let me run you through the solution for your house if you're building a passive home. Any wood heater you buy, there's actually 2 lots of oxygen or 2 lots of air a wood heater requires. Air for the wood heater and air to cool the flue down. So let me separate these 2 conversations and run you through the solution for both. This is the Bay BX wood heater. I love the fact that this wood comes standard with what we call outside air. Now what that means is all the air the fire needs to burn comes from outside. Pretty simple. How it works, there's a duct that runs from outside your home through this ducting pipe to the inlet for where the heater requires the oxygen from, meaning there is no air at all being used inside the house for this heater to operate. The next thing we have to worry about is the flue. A traditional wood heater would use an air-cooled flue kit. Now these wood heaters use 400 litres per minute of air to cool that flue down, and again in an airtight home that air's got to come from somewhere. Changing the flue over to an insulated room sealed flue kit, there is no oxygen at all required to cool the flue down. It's all done by ceramic insulation. The trick to an insulated flue kit is not just the flue itself, but also the sealing ring. The insulation on our sealing ring air tights the sealing ring to the room, so there is no air loss at the sealing cavity or anywhere in the flue. So add an insulated room seal flue kit to an outside air wood heater flue intake. This wood heater is not using any oxygen at all inside the home for it to operate. And if you have a perfect insulated home like we're in today, this is the perfect wood heater for you. For more information on what we're talking about today, check out your local dealer we can buy wood heaters from, or if not, check out our website, pivotstove.com.au.